is nandito sila. Hindi, magsasara lang saglit ang tindahan dahil punta na sila dito. So, aantayin ko sila at I will be meeting them para mag-lunch kami.
Tita Barla Loving Life. Yes, welcome to my vlog. Please subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. See ya! Tita Barla at ang bago niyang buhay. Back together.
Hello, good morning everyone. Again, this is Tita Barla. Welcome to my channel. Today is Monday, March 10. So time check, it's 8:35 and then magsasara lang saglit ang tindahan dahil yung mga kasamahan ko dati is nandito sila. Nandito sila na kumbaga dadaan lang sila dahil may delivery sila doon sa Tangub City. So ngayon kaka-text lang nila na tapos na yung transaction nila at papunta na sila dito. So aantayin ko sila at I will be meeting them para mag-lunch kami. And then may pabaon ako sa kanila ng biscuits at saka Gatorade kasi mga ano sila, delivery truck drivers. Yun. Mga love ko kasi yung mga boys namin dati. Lagi lang yan nasa table ko dati. Ma'am Bebs, Ma'am Bebs, Ma'am Bebs. Ayan. So, 2 years and a half din kami hindi nagkikita. Kasi nung last year, June, nung napunta ako, nagbiyahe sila. So, ngayon ang time. So, mamaya i-update ko na lang kayo. Kakain mamaya. Basta, early lunch na lang siguro. Kasi kakaalis lang nila tapos yung place na doon is from dito is 67 kilometers. Yung Tangub City ba, doon sila galing. Hindi man lang nagsabi, nakatambay na sila kay mother. Kasi highway yung sa amin, so doon ang sasakyan. Napalayo sila ng konti, so tinawagan ko sila kasi nakakahiya kung nandun pa sila sa ibang bahay. So pinapaatras ko sila. Sasakyan. Nagkagulo sila. Ayaw kay for the boys. Doy na busy na sa ati-atihan. Anara. May maikog tas pikas. Hi.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time.
Sabi ko sa kanila is kakain muna kami saglit. Nag-order na naman ako, so puntahan na lang namin at least ikot lang kami sa plaza. Hello. Birthday na tiglo. Great mo dahil niyo bilang nanay. Happy birthday, Ate Glo. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative.
It's nice to see you again, guys. So, ayan, kahit pag saglit lang kaming nagkikita, at least nagkikita pa rin. Ayan, lagi Krypton. Ay, Krypton, bye-bye. Ay. Ay, dako man din. Uy, daghan man mong electric fan. Bye-bye. Bye! Ampel! Yan na sila. Goodbye! Thank you for watching, everyone. Thank you for supporting my channel. So, ang aking mga kasamahan ay uuwi na rin sila at babalik na ng Cebu. So, kumbaga nag-round sila, nag-travel sila from Luzon, tapos nag-cross to Surigao, Cagayan de Oro, tapos dito banda sa amin at pauwi na rin. So again, thank you so much everyone for watching. Goodbye and thank you for supporting my channel. Please like, comment and share Tita Barla and subscribe na din. See you in my next vlog. Goodbye.